how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method 1, that is to use Snap Map. So here, simply open the Snapchat app and here make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you simply have to tap on the map icon which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the Snap Map, you have to make sure that your location is turned on, and with that, you also have to make sure that the ghost mode is turned off as well. And once you do that, you'll see nearby Snapchat users who have public locations enabled. So there you can just tap on any person bitmojis, and after that you can simply tap add friends. And it is best if the person has their location turned on, and it works even if they are not in your contacts as well. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to quick add. So here, once inside the Snapchat app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply scroll down to the friends, and now here under friends, you simply have to tap on add friends. And now here, under the add friends option, there you can see find friends option. And now under there you'll see all the peoples who are near your location, who are friends of friends and who are matched by interest. So here Snapchat uses algorithm and location to suggest nearby peoples as well. So there you can just tap add next to any users to add them as a friend as well. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to share your Snapchat QR code. So here, once you are inside the Snapchat, simply go to the Snapchat profile by tapping on the profile icon, and after that, on the profile section there, you can see the barcode beside your profile picture. So there you simply have to tap on it to extend it, and after that you can simply ask nearby friend to scan it or save and send it to them. Or you can simply tap on share snap code and send them via WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other social platforms. And with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to create the Snapchat invite link. So here, once you are in a profile picture or profile section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on add friends. And now here, once you are in this section, you simply have to tap on this option which says invite your friends. So here, simply tap on it, and now after that, you can see at the top there under the invite via there you can see the link icon. So there you can simply tap on it to copy your profile link, and here once you have copied it, you can simply paste it and send it to anyone on different social media platforms, or you can send them directly through social media platforms as well. And that's it. That's how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.